Every living creature on Earth, from the mighty blue whale to the smallest bee, needs to sleep just like human beings do. However, unlike people who generally lie down in a bed and then fall asleep, animals have very different and rather interesting ways of sleeping. Horses, zebras, cows, and elephants sleep standing up. Cows and horses have the innate ability to lock their knee joints, allowing them to place their entire weight on their legs as they sleep. It is vital that these animals sleep standing up so that they can make a quick exit if predators appear on the scene. Elephants, the largest mammals on the land, still manage to lie down to sleep despite their huge size, and they usually lie on their side. They also take short cat naps during the day, resting their foreheads, tusks, or trunks against strong trees. Sometimes they even lean against termite mounds. Elephants do not spend many hours sleeping. They need to spend a lot of time eating because they have poor digestive systems and enormous bulk. Elephants generally sleep for only about 4 hours out of a 24-hour day, usually in the hours before dawn. An elephant that lives for 60 years sleeps for only about 16% of its lifetime. For the giraffe, the world's tallest mammal, sleeping is very difficult because its extremely long legs and neck make lying down or getting up a struggle. Therefore, a giraffe sleeps only for an average of about 30 minutes a day. Giraffes never lie on their sides as the contents of their stomach could be ingested into their lungs, causing the animals to suffocate. When giraffes usually lie down, they fold their legs underneath them and rest their heads on their rumps. You will never see a snake taking nap with its eyes closed because snakes do not have eyelids at all. Instead of eyelids, a thin, clear membrane called spectacles cover their corneas. These are attached to their skin. Therefore, although snakes cannot close their eyes, they can close their retinas when they are sleeping. So, if you see a snake lying very still, it may be taking a nap, though its eyes may appear open. Hippos, large, round, water-loving animals that are native to Africa, are able to sleep when they are submerged in water. If they are in a very deep river, hippos will close their ears downwards and will close their nostrils to keep water out while they submerge. After a few minutes, they will rise to the surface to breathe and gently submerge again, all without waking up. If they are in shallow water, hippos can be seen sleeping with their bodies underwater and their nostrils protruding just above the surface. Rhinos generally sleep for around 8 hours a day. They rest most during the hottest part of the day, and these large creatures are not choosy about where they lie down. They are found dozing anywhere in a jungle. They drop onto their headquarters as if in sitting position before they lie down with their legs and feet curled to one side. Even if they are sound asleep, their tulip-shaped ears are always pricked up to pick up the slightest sound. These massive mammals can get out of a prone position and scramble to their feet with surprising speed if they perceive a threat to their safety. Leopards, large cats with an excellent sense of balance, can sleep on the branch of a tree without falling off. The sloth, the world's slowest mammal, sleeps a lot, 15 to 20 hours every day. Even when awake, sloths often remain motionless. Since sloths live almost their entire life on treetops, they sleep on the tree branches, clinging to them with their long claws. Bats are nocturnal mammals that hunt during the night. They sleep during the daytime, hanging upside down with their strong talons from tree branches, attics, rooftops, and even under bridges. This mode of sleeping uses up little energy, and since these creatures have weak wings, spreading their wings and taking flight while they are already suspended in the air is much easier than taking off from the ground. Hanging suspended and sleeping in odd places during the day also means that bats keep out of danger. For most animals, sleep involves being unconscious, with all voluntary muscle movements and senses suspended. But this doesn't happen to dolphins. When it's time to rest, a dolphin will shut down only one part of its brain and close the opposite eye. This strange and unusual way of sleeping is essential for the dolphin's survival because it not only allows the dolphin to look out for danger while it rests, enables it to perform physiological processes, such as muscle movement, that helps the warm-blooded mammal maintain essential body heat required to survive in the icy waters of the ocean. Meerkats, small carnivores belonging to the mongoose family, are pack animals, so they always sleep in a group. They sleep in a heap with the family matriarch buried underneath so she gets the best sleep. Sentries or meerkats who function as guards sleep on the outside. They have lighter sleep so they're easily alerted by potential predators. Huddling together not only keeps meerkats safe, but keeps them warm too during cold nights in the African deserts where they live.